Hi guys, my name is Maria with Star. Today we will introduce to newcomers what is DTF. You probably have heard something about new technologies and terms like DTF, direct to film, or DTF transfer, and you may want to know what is it and why it's so popular. Here we will dive into what is DTF, what it's for, its pros and cons, and more. Direct to film, also known as DTF, is exactly what it sounds like. You print design on a special film, then transfer it to the fabric or other textiles. I have created starter supply list for DTF. This will make sure you get everything you need for DTF printing, so you can get set up and start printing transfers. You can see behind me, there are many machines in our showroom, and our printers have been upgraded and improved step by step. You can see Start 3 series to Start 4 series. From machines to the consumables, whether you are currently engaged in one of the above digital textile printing process and you want to take a DTF printing as a business extension, or you want to get involved in a digital textile from DTF, you must invest in the following. I will give you complete display. Follow me. First of all, we need a DTF printer. There are many kinds of DTF printers on the market. If you are in a small business, you need only a desktop printer like Epson L800. With a little modification, you can realize DTF printing. Our Star 4 60 cm wide format printer is equipped with 3200 print heads, and its performance has been greatly improved compared with previous generations. Welcome to inquire if you want to test the sample. You can also leave a message below our video or contact us directly. 2. DTF transfer film. DTF printers use PET films. The film is very thin and has great transfer characteristics. There are two kinds of film on the market according to the specifications. One is a sheet and the other is a roll. There are two classifications of PET films based on temperature, cold fill and hot fill type films. 3. DTF pigment ink. The ink used in DTF printer is a unique pigment ink. We usually use cyan, magenta, yellow, black and white. Color ink and white ink are printed at the same time. White ink is covered with color ink. 4. Hot melt powder. Direct-to-film printing powder is a white granular product. It is used as an adhesive material. This helps to glue the color pigments in the printer to the surface you want to print. 5. All-in-one powder shaker machine. What we sell is a large format industrial powder shaker and dryer. The shaker spreads the powder in an even way and then goes through this curing oven to cure the ink and powder. If you are in a store business, you may need to shake the powder manually. Then use a small industrial oven like this one to melt and cure the hot melt powder. Alternatively, you can use a heat press machine to carry out this function. 6. Heat press machine. Heat transfer machine helps transfer the printing design on your film onto the desired surface or fabric. If you are in the industry and have done dye sublimation printing, then you must own a heat press machine. The one we use is a double station heat press. There are what DTF printing needs. If you like my content and want to see more, stay tuned and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.